question is a very lengthy story narrated by the observer who says that Akhtar, Kiran and Rahul were riding in a motor car that was moving with high speed velocity on an express highway. Meanwhile, an insect comes and strikes the windshield and stuck on the windshield. Kiran suggested that the change of momentum of the insect is far greater than the change of momentum of the car because the insect velocity is far greater than the car. Akhtar said that since the motor car is running with a larger velocity, the impact on the insect was greater as the car has larger force. That was Akhtar's opinion. And the larger force was the cause of the death of the insect, says Akhtar. Now Rahul puts an entirely new explanation saying that both the car and the insect experience the same force and the same change of momentum. This is the opinion of Rahul, and we are supposed to comment on these suggestions. The force exerted by the car on the insect is equal to the force exerted by the insect on the car. This is always equal. When the forces are equal, the rate of change of momentum is also of the car is equal to the rate of change of momentum of the insect. So in a way, whatever Rahul said is correct. But we know that the size of the insect is very, very, very small when compared to the size of the car, which is very, very high, and therefore their masses also differ in the same ratio, and due to that the insect experiences sudden death due to the differences in sizes and the mass. The inertia of the insect will be small because lesser the mass, lesser will be the inertia, and greater the mass, greater will be the inertia. So car inertia is higher and insect inertia is far, far lesser than that of the car.